Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This video I will show you how you can easily delete your Facebook story post or photo or anything you share. So at first log in your Facebook account. After logging, go to your news feed. Then here you see story, your story. Click mouse left button. This is my story. So now I will delete it. Click this three dot, see this one, mouse left button. Here is a delete option. Just click delete, again delete. So this is your friend's story. So let's try again. We will add another story right now. Click the add to story. Okay, your story, photo, which one you want to add, click this. If you want to share your news feed, you just mark it. So I don't want to share with my news feed, only story for show you. Click the post button and wait few seconds. So now we will check our story, refresh. Yes, it is your story. Again refresh. Yes, it is here. So we can again try to delete it. Click that three dot icon and delete the photo. Delete photo option is showing. Click the delete photo, delete. So thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel.